Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we give one lucky viewer the chance to win this. Thanks to Thermaltake and Scan Computers, we're giving away this chassis to one lucky viewer. We'll give more details on how you can enter shortly, but for now let's take a look at what you get. This is the Thermaltake V200 RGB tempered glass chassis. We have reviewed this very case on the channel before, and you can check the full review out in the description. The V200 is an ATX case that features stunning curved designs with a full tempered glass side panel and curved acrylic front panel that joins the side to the front. It certainly is an attractive case and will look fantastic in any scenario. Take away the panels via these thumb screws and you get a large open space with mounting points for up to an ATX motherboard, up to 160mm height coolers and up to a 380mm GPU too, with space for 240 or 280mm radiators on the front and a 120 at the rear, with additional support for a 120mm fan at the rear, two 120 or 140mm fans at the top, and three 120 or two 140s at the front. What's more is the V200 comes pre-installed with not only a 120mm fan at the rear, but also three 120mm 12V RGB fans right out of the box. The fans are powered by the included controller that is mounted at the rear, and you can cycle through 16 different colour modes from RGB, single, breathing or off altogether, or by pressing a button at the top here. There is space inside the PSU cover for up to 5 storage devices hidden away, and to the left of this you can see that there is a PSU already installed. This is actually part of a Scan exclusive with the V200 and comes included within the price. The PSU is a 550W 80 plus Thermaltake unit that comes with all the cables you need to get your system going, and that pretty much brings us to the end of this video and to the part that you're waiting for. This isn't so much a review, but more an overview of the V200 and to showcase the fantastic deal available. This whole setup, that's the V200 itself, three 120mm 12V RGB LED fans, plus one 120mm rear fan and the 550W PSU all come as one unit for just £89.99 from Scan Computers. As always, there is a link down below to take advantage of this fantastic offer, and of course we haven't forgotten about the big giveaway. I am going to be giving away this very V200 chassis to one of you viewers, and all you have to do to enter is go to the Gadget Joe Facebook post that is linked in the description below, follow the simple instructions and you're good to go. Once you have entered, you will be put into the pot and have a chance to win. The winner will be picked and announced on the 31st of August, so good luck. Whilst you're here, don't forget to click like, subscribe and share for more like this, and I'll see you in the next video.